Now, dear children, before starting with the next paper, let's do one thing. Let's take a break. Okay. Consider this as a washroom break. You can go and freshen up yourself. You can drink some water, coffee, washroom, all these things. Okay. See you after 5 minutes or so.
break है अभी मम्मी के
So
खाना
what
बनाया
was the answer to the previous sum, like the 15th sum of the previous paper?
क्या चला रहा तुम्हारा?
ब्रेक है।
तुम छोड़ो। तुम्हारा कोई भरोसा नहीं है कि तुम कैसे बैठ करोगे।
Okay, welcome back, dear children. Let's continue. So, if my voice is audible, can you please give me a thumbs up?
Yes, sir, your voice is audible.
That's great. Thank you. So, first question. When completing a pyramid, each number above the base is made up from the sum of the two supporting it. In the given incomplete pyramid, find the relation between x and y. See. So, first of all, let's find the numbers. Okay. So, this should be x plus 2. This should be 2 plus y. This should be y plus 15. Okay. X plus 2 sum है ना? So this should be 2 plus y and this should be y plus 15. ठीक है. So when and this number is basically addition of these two numbers. So this should be x plus y plus 4
आंसर आ गया
and this should be
बहुत बड़ा आंसर
wait, yeah, and this should be y plus y 2y plus 15 plus 2 is 17, and then finally 48 is basically equal to, sorry, 48 is basically equal to left plus right. So x plus y plus 2y gives you 3y plus 4 plus 17 gives you 21. 21, I take it to the other side, I get 27. 48 minus 21 is 27. 27 is equal to x plus 3y. Option 2 is your correct answer. Yes, Priya, tell me.
I didn't understand the sum.
I'll explain. See, this is a pyramid where the two numbers below add to give the one number above. So what I am going to do, there are blank spaces. I'm going to fill those blank spaces first. Okay. And in the end, I'm going to find an equation which supports the relation between x and y. Okay. So first blank space is filled by x plus 2 because x or 2 नीचे के दो numbers है. So x plus 2 is the first blank space. Similarly, the second blank space is 2 plus y. Similarly, the third blank space is y plus 15. This much is clear?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. The same thing I'm going to repeat further also. So ये ऊपर का blank space will be नीचे के दो blank spaces का addition. That is x plus 2 plus 2 plus y. So 2 plus 2 is 4, x plus y is x plus y. Hence x plus y plus 4 is the above blank space. है ना? And same thing for this also. These two numbers को add करना है. That is 2 plus 15, 17, y plus y, 2y. So far so clear?
Yes, sir.
Then ultimately I added these two numbers to get 48. So 48 is equal to left and right combined, there is only one x, so I've written x. Left में there is one y and the other side is having two y, so one y plus two y is 3y. 4 plus 17 is 21. I basically added it and I took 21 to the other side. It became 48 minus 21, that is 27. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Great. Proceeding further. Second question. On the number line given below, the distance between 1 by 6 and 1 by 12 is split into three parts. What is the fraction indicated by A? So let's find. So first of all, the distance between 1 by 6 and 1 by 12 is 1 by 12. How did I come to know? I basically subtracted, I'll tell you, the last number minus first number. So 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12 I did. When I took the LCM, I got the answer as 1 by 12. So the difference between them is 1 by 12, which is split it into three parts. So each part is so yeah, 1 by 12 ka 1/3. So 1/3 of 1 by 12. So that is 1 by 36. I hope it's clear. So total three parts combined is 1 by 12, which means each part will be 1/3 of 1 by 12. So 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 12, that is 1 by 36 it is. So far it is clear or not? Is it clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful,
Yes, sir.
wonderful,
Yes, sir.
wonderful. Okay. So A comes after two parts. How many parts? First part, second part, third part. So दो parts के बाद A आता है. So what I'll do in order to find A, what will be A? A will be the first number, which is in this case 1 by 12 plus two parts. Two parts. I'll write two parts. Each part is how much? 1 by 36. So this will give you A. So I'll do one thing. This threes are, so 3 plus 2, 5.
So 5 by 36.
Yes. So when I take LCM, I'll be getting 5 by 36. So A's value is 5 by 36.
Sir, can you explain it again?
Sure. So I'm supposed to find A's value. They have broken into three parts. So my first step is find how much is the whole part, complete part. So that I found by subtracting final number minus first number. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12 is 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 is the whole part, out of which it is further divided into three parts. So each part will be 1/3 of 1 by 12. So 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 12, that is 1 by 36. That is each part. Okay. Now from 1 by 12 to reach A, I have to cover these two parts. So hence, I've written A is nothing but 1 by 12 plus two parts of 1 by 36. Then I took LCM, I got this answer.
Understood.
Okay.
Sir, but why did you add 1 by 12?
Because my dear child, in the number line, it is always previous number plus some number is the next number. That is the basic rule, right? So for example, if I have 7 over here,
Yes, sir.
I have 5 over here, and I'm saying that beach mein there are two parts. So what is this number? This number is basically the first number plus whatever is the parts. Correct? Hence I added 5.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, I'll have to add 1 by 12.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Understood.
Hmm.
Sir, I had one more doubt. That you in the previous questions you said that means in the previous class you said that in regular hexagon, if we take the center, then distance from all vertices to center will be equal.
Correct.
So
Regular
is it
hexagon,
true for
pentagon.
all regular figures?
Yes, all regular polygons. For all regular polygons, if you find the center, the distance from the vertices to the center is always the same.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I'm listening.
so for the second sum, I did like 1 by 12 into 3 into 3. So that 1 by 12 is equal to 3 by 36. So the next one is 4 by 36. So A will be 5 by 36. Then 1 by
Yeah,
6 will be 6 by 36,
yeah.
which is 1 by 6.
That's fine. That's fine. That is also correct.
Yes, sir.
So proceeding further, third question. So you have in the regular polygon ABCDE, so this is a pentagon. Triangle BFC is an equilateral triangle. Find the angle FAB. FAB. This is what we have to find. So let's try it out. So since it is an equilateral triangle, this will be equal to this will be equal to this. Right. Now, if these both, all these are equal, it's a regular pentagon, which means one side is equal to all the sides. All the sides are equal. So this AB is also equal. So this angle is 60. I don't know what is this angle. I'll name this angle as, let's say, X or something like that. Okay. Anyway, since it is an isosceles triangle, both the dots will have same value. Let me call this as X or something. X, X, which we have to find. FAB. FAB is basically X only. So X we have to find. So we'll be able to find this provided we should know this. How much is this? We don't know. We have to find that. Okay.
48.
Now, how much is the
Sir,
total?
48 only, sir.
48. Absolutely. Since it is a pentagon, this particular angle is going to be 108, as you know. And since it is an equilateral triangle, this particular angle is going to be 60. Now 108, so that means this particular angle will be 108 minus 60. That gives you 48. Sharvi, what's your doubt?
I wait. I raised my hand by mistake.
Okay. Naitik, what's your doubt?
Sir, is the answer 66?
I'll tell you. Naitik,
Sir,
Yes, sir.
I had doubt that can we say FC is equal to FA?
FC is equal to FA? No, we cannot say. Because F is
Because
not a
F is not
center.
the center.
Absolutely.
Okay, sir. I just wanted to confirm.
Yeah. Okay. If F was center now, then all the angles, like this angle, all the angles would have been same. All the sides would have been same. But these lines would have been same. But in this case, that's not the scenario. Okay. Because we know that for a pentagon, if F was the center, then this angle would have been 72, not 60. Now, since this is 60, we can be very sure since it is not 72, I can say that F is not the center. Okay. Yeah, anyway. So coming back, this particular angle is how much? 48. So for this triangle, 180, okay, I'll write it over here. 180 is equal to 48 plus x, that is 2x. So that gives me 180 minus 48 is 132. So 132 is equal to 2x. That gives you x is equal
Sir,
to
66.
and that's your answer.
Sir, can you explain after that we got 48 that angle?
Sure. Then what did I do? I considered this particular triangle. For this particular triangle, all three angles should add to get 180. The first angle is 48. The second angle is second and third, both the angles are x, and x plus x is 2x. 48 plus x is 180. Then when I solve it, I get the answer as x equal to 66. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
how did you get to know that both the angles are same, like X and F,
Because,
angle FAB and BSF?
okay. Now, because this is an equilateral triangle, all three sides will be equal. And since this is a regular polygon, whatever is this side will be equal to this side. Hence, this and this are same. Hence, all four sides are equal. That's how I came to know that this particular triangle is an isosceles triangle with two equal sides. Got it?
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Yep.
Sir, but how did you tell that the other two angles, F and A, were isosceles?
I just told you, right? So, see, because of these sides, I came to know that this side, okay, I'll use another color. I came to know that this side and this side, they are same. So, considering this triangle, if two sides are same, uske opposite wale two angles will also be same. Hence, this angle and this angle, both the angles are same.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Okay. So, whenever you figure out that in a triangle, when you find out there are two same sides, that triangle is called as isosceles triangle. Point number one. For an isosceles triangle, whichever two sides are same, उसके opposite वाले angles, this angle and this angle, those angles will also be same. It is the property of an isosceles triangle. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Using the same property, I understood that if these two sides are same, then these two angles are same. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Proceeding further. Question number 4. Kamal has 12 identical cards in the shape of an isosceles right angled triangle. He uses the cards to make three shapes below. Which of the shapes has the greatest perimeter? Actually, looking at the shape, I can easily say that this has the greatest perimeter. If you wish to calculate also, you can calculate. You can consider the sides of the, matlab, if this is an isosceles
Can
right
consider
angle.
it as one,
Because
right?
everyone have borders like four of their, and it has these four borders plus two.
Yeah.
Sir,
So just a minute. Let me complete the explanation. You can consider an isosceles triangle with sides 1 and the hypotenuse to be equal to root 2. So that is also one idea over here. You have root 2 multiply. Well, if you wish to calculate, I'm just giving you an option. If you wish to calculate, you can say that, okay, fine, there are four long sides over here. So root 2 multiplied by 4 is 4 root 2. This will be the perimeter of this particular shape. For this will be root 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is 4 plus root 2, which is definitely greater than, so 4 plus 2 root 2, sorry. So this will be 4 plus 2 root 2. Okay. And over here I have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is equal to 6. So out of which, obviously, 4 root 2.
6 root 2, sir.
Yes,
That's the
this is what,
biggest.
correct. This is 6 से भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा है because there is an additional root 2 over here. So hence I can say option 2 is having more perimeter. Now if anybody is having any query, you can ask.
so,
Yeah, yeah, tell me. I'm listening. Priya.
sir, I did like I took the two short sides which are same, so I took them as one, and the longer side as two. So the
Longer side, you
first
cannot
figure
take
I
longer
got,
side as 2 because that will give you an inaccurate answer. Don't do that. Because if there is any twisted shape, you may get a wrong answer because this is right angle triangle. If one side is 1, since it is isosceles, the other side should be compulsorily 1. And when you take Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse should be root 2 only.
oh, okay.
Yeah. So root 2's value is approximately 1.4 for those who don't know. Okay.
Sir, I just wanted to ask something again.
Yep. Tell me.
So why do you take the side as root 2?
Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Under root of 1 square plus 1 square is under root of 2. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yep. Listening.
sir, can I please see the answer for the next one, sir?
Yeah, sure. Yathat, tell me. Answer and
Yes,
as
sir.
well as the
So,
method also, please.
yes, sir, I'll tell, sir.
Hmm.
So, sir, so I took 7 into 7, so that is 49. So the last digit is 9. And then 5 into 9 for the 2015 into 9, so that's 45. So the last
Mm-hmm.
digit is 5. So then
Mm-hmm.
9 minus 5 is 4. So then only in option number 3, the unit digit will be 4.
Yes, sir, I got the same answer.
Yeah, brilliant. So for others, I'll explain. So instead of taking actual square and doing it, you can just check the unit. So if you check the unit, this number will have 9 in the unit because 7 square is 49. Okay. And over here, 5 into 9 is 45, which means the unit will have 5. So the unit will definitely have 9 minus 4. So the 9 minus 5 as 4 in the unit. Now check which subtraction can give you the same answer. 7 minus 5, no. 9 minus 7, no. 9 minus 5, yes. Yes, Amol, tell me.
Sir, I tried with three other numbers. I tried 5, 3, and 7. I tried the same thing, like 5 square minus 3 into 7. So I was getting 4 every time, sir. So I did it here, and only option available was for 4. So I did that.
Hmm, okay,
So can you explain it one more time?
sure.
Or I didn't understand what he said, sir.
Uh, even I'm not very sure. Matlab, I thought, okay, fine. So I will request everyone to please focus on my method because I feel that my method is much simpler comparatively. So let me explain this method once again. So instead of solving like the full number, okay, what did I do? I just solved the units place. Like I forgot there is ये ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं भूल जा. I'm just thinking about units place now. Okay. So 7 square का units place is going to be 9. 5 square का units place is going, sorry, 5 का units place is 5 only. And sorry, ये 5 कैसे आया? 5 into 9 का units place is 5. 5 into 9 is 45. 45 का units place is 5. So 9 units, so some number, and then in the end you have 9 in the first place. And then in the second place, you have some number. In the end, you have 5. Now, when you subtract them, first number is 9 minus 5. That is going to be 4 itself. So the units, answer the units place is going to be 4. Now, check in the options which numbers are going to give you the same situation in the units place. 2017 minus 2015, the units place is going to have 2 over here. Here, the units place 9 minus 7 is going to have 2. Here the units place 9 minus 5 is going to have 4. Here the units place 9 minus 4 is going to have 5. So this is the only option which is matching with my scenario. Hence option 2 is the 3 is the correct answer.
Sir, there is an easier method to do this sum.
My dear child, I feel this is also an easy method. Let's not confuse everyone by discussing so many methods. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Let's proceed to the sixth problem. If A is 150% of B, what percent of A is 3B? So first of all, A is equal to 150% of B. Okay, that gives you A is equal to 3 upon 2B. Now the next question is what percent of A is 3B? So A is equal to X percentage of 3B. Wait. Mm, actually, yeah, the question. What percent of A is 3B? So x% of A is equal to 3B. Okay. So x percentage we have to find. Yes, we'll find x upon 100. I'll write this as, instead of A, I'll write 3B upon 2 is equal to 3B. 3B and 3B gets cancelled. Therefore, x will be equal to 200. That's my answer.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, can we also just like assume like A is equal to 10 and sir, A is equal to 15 and B is equal to 10 like that?
A is 150% of B. You're assuming A as 10 and B as,
No, sir,
sorry, A as
A is
15.
15 and B as 10.
Yeah, it can work. It can work. Yeah. So if B is 30, then A will become 20. Like that. No, 30, 30. Something like that, right? But I think that will be more confusing. This should be a better problem. But still, if you feel that solving by that logic is helpful for you, go for that. I'm not saying that that method is wrong. That method is also correct.
No,
But I
sir, I
feel this
feel
is
like your
easier.
method is more easy, sir.
Yeah.
I'll write it, sir.
Yeah.
So can we rejoin?
Yeah, please. Let's rejoin.